From Daoiri we sailed away on the 23rd of May. We were boarded by a pleasant crew bound for Limerick. Fresh water there we did take on 5,000 gallons or more, in case we ran short going to New York, far away from the Shamrock shore. Well, at 6 o'clock on that evening fair, oh, we passed out Mullenhead, and in a straw hull far out to the right it rose out of the ocean's bed. And then a very special sight we all did see there that we'd never ever seen before, was the sun going down between sea and sky out from the Shamrock shore. So fare thee well, sweet Liza dear, and likewise to Derry town, and twice farewell to me comrade boys who dwell on that sainted ground. And if fortune it ever should favour me, oh, were I to have money in store, I'll come back and I will the wee lassie I left on Paddy's green Shamrock shore. Well, we sailed for 3 days and we were all seasick, and not a man on board was free. And we were all confined up upon our own bunks, with nobody to pity poor me. No father dear, no mother kind, to hold up my head when it was sore. And it made me think more on the girl that I left there in Paddy's green Shamrock shore. So fare thee well, sweet Liza dear, and likewise to Derry town. Twice farewell to me comrade boys who dwell on that sainted ground. And if fortune it ever should favour